When food is plentiful, spider monkeys will select the best bits from each fruit and drop the rest. But it rarely goes to waste, as peccaries that roam the forest floor will consume much of what's been dropped. To balance off their diet, collared peccaries seek out special places from which to feed. The thick mud in this hole contains unusually high concentrations of salt, a rare treat so far from the sea. Small mineral licks like this one are dotted throughout the forest, and for many animals, they're like miniature oases in a nutrient-poor